Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's version of Nichols and Nimes, our weekly video series. The quote of the week this week comes from Margaret Mitchell. Who said, "Death, taxes, and childbirth. There's never any convenient time for any of them." Death, taxes, and childbirth. There's never any convenient time for any of them. That is so true. Never a perfect time for any of them. So this week we're going to be talking a little bit about taxes. Now, we don't specialize in income taxes here at our firm. We're specialists with estate taxes, but given that the IRS has extended the tax deadline to July 15th, I thought this video was quite appropriate. So we're going to talk about three tax ideas, if you will. You can crunch them in at the last time that you can implement before tax time, is due, which is right around the corner. So this is actually from our website. If you go on our website, one of the guides is called 10 Tax Planning Tips Your CPA May Have Missed. So 10 tax planning tips your CPA may have missed. The first one, we're just going to talk about again a few. The first is health savings accounts, HSAs as they're commonly known. They're basically pre-tax accounts that you can open up mainly through a bank to help reduce, current income taxes. Bottom line is you put money away, you get a tax deduction. To the extent you have a high deductible plan, you could participate in them. You put money away in these types of accounts, and then to the extent those funds are used later for medical expenses, they could be withdrawn tax-free. So look into something called HSAs or health savings accounts. The second thing we want to look at is investing in opportunity zones. Now, in 2017, the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was implemented, and one of the benefits that came out of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was something called opportunity zones. Basically, the whole goal of opportunity zone investing was to attract assets, money, to areas of the country that were maybe underdeveloped or needed help in terms of infrastructure. So when the government creates tax programs or tax incentives, one of the things they do is try to attract institutional and investment dollars into those areas to help develop them. So one of the benefits, again, was this opportunity zone investing. Bottom line is, if you invest in an opportunity zone, you can get significant tax benefits to the extent you hold the investment 5, 7, and 10 years. And the longer you hold those investments, the higher your tax cost basis is to ultimately end up paying less taxes down the road. Again, idea number 2 is opportunity zone investing. And the third area that your CPA may not have told you about is investing in a retirement plan. Many of you know that there's plenty of retirement plans out there. There's Roth IRAs, there's traditional IRAs, there's simple IRAs, there's SEP IRAs, 401ks, cash balance plan. There's a myriad of tax benefit retirement plans out there. So the question is, are you taking full advantage of the plans that are available? Sometimes people do, sometimes they don't, they get busy. And also sometimes folks don't have a proactive CPA to recommend these types of plans. So again, the third point to note is look to take advantage of tax-favored retirement plans. To that end, if you would like help with tax-favored retirement plans, you could send us an email. You can go on our website at nicholswealth.com, or you could send me an email at cnichols@nicholswealth.com. In the meantime, happy end of tax season. Make sure you file your taxes and pay them. By the way, it's not just filing them, pay them by July 15th so you don't get any tax penalties. Okay, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.